Court files contain a document most people overlook that is genuinely valuable for locating someone: the return of service. When a sheriff or process server attempts service, they file a return describing what happened, and whether service succeeded or failed, that document records information you can use. A successful return records the exact address, the date and time, who accepted the papers, and sometimes a physical description. A failed return is often more informative. It may state that the subject moved, that a neighbor said they relocated to a particular city, that the property was vacant, or that a relative refused to accept. That is a documented, dated observation by a professional at a physical location. Pulling returns from every case your subject has been party to builds a timeline of confirmed addresses and confirmed departures. It also shows you which addresses have already been ruled out, so you do not repeat work. Our research team mines court files this way routinely. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.